tutorial of how to set up your e-hall pass. You can go into your class link, you can type in hall, or you can type in pass. Your class link will look a little different than mine because it's customized. We are a single sign-in, so it will log you automatically in, but for the purposes of this video, I have set up a fake student account. So once you're in your student account, you have the Now Pass, or you have what's actually called the Appointment Pass. So let's go ahead and do a Now Pass. These options are also on the side to create a pass. You're simply going to type in what teacher you're with. So let's say actually that I'm with Miss A. And so you'll see that it pops up Miss Alexander. And then you can save your favorites down here. And then also you can save your favorites down here. So if I know that I'm on the second floor, I've set it up as the ADC, and you can see the restrooms. But in this case, I already have my favorites saved, so I know which restroom I'm going to go to, and I want to take a break. So I'm going to click Submit, and I'm currently waiting for approval, of course, from my teacher. My teacher will have pass up and can click Submit, and the pass will turn green. Let me cancel this, and I just clicked on Cancel to show you another option. So we're going to create a pass, same thing, Now Pass. And if your teacher has set up what's called the Fast Pass option, then you actually won't need to wait for teacher approval. So I'm following the exact same steps, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to submit. And it looks like that I've not approved it, but I have an option here for Fast Pass. So I'm going to start that myself. My screen turns green. I show the teacher my screen is green, and then I can leave on my pass. So what's happened is that I've enabled my account for anyone wanting to go to this restroom, as long as it's not been closed by a campus supervisor or an admin, or just that the restrooms are closed at the moment, that students can go ahead and start their own passes. The student is also responsible, though, for when they return to actually click stop and stop their own pass. So that is an option that is available at different times. But you will have to check with your teacher on their classroom policies. The other option you have, which I hope is hopeful, is a appointment pass. So it's the exact same process. It's Miss Alexander if you're leaving her room, maybe a little early, and you're saying, you know what, I really need to go talk to Miss Swift, and try to book your appointments out farther. So I'm actually going to pick the 24th. Okay, that's a little far out. But anyway, so during college and career ready block, and then that of course is going to be more around that 11 o'clock time frame. So let's say 11, and make sure you change that to AM. And whatever you type here is what the teacher will see in their email. And so you have now sent a appointment request to Ms. Swift for this time, and they will then either approve, edit, or deny. So here is my past ones. I was playing with the system. I've requested from Ms. Swift. I've requested Ms. Shaver. But here's one actually where the other day I requested one from Ms. Gibson, and she is green here. It shows that she confirmed that I could come to her during lunch, but it actually shows that I missed that appointment. So if you think about it, it's almost like going to the doctor where you're creating these passes and you're requesting appointments with your teachers. Otherwise than that, in this weekend's newsletter, there was some information for your folks about ehall pass. Once again, it allows us a streamlined process. So you can leave the classrooms, request appointments, and it does allow us in times of emergencies to quickly locate our students for lockdowns or fire drills. There were the two attachments showing you again what we just reviewed, how to log in, how to set an appointment. And then also, while you're in your system, there's a lot of training videos and documents if you want to review all of those. But I think you'll find that this is pretty intuitive, it's pretty easy to use, and hopefully it will be useful for everyone. So thanks for watching.